Dr. Deuk here at Deuk Spine Institute, sitting with one of my patients. And this gentleman came to me, what, 6 months ago, 5 months ago?
Mm-hmm.
And what kind of problems were you having with your back?
I was having severe pain in my middle of my back, low back, and weakness and numbness in one leg was the biggest problems.
Yes. And what did I tell you we needed to do?
I needed herniate surgery on L3, L4, and L4, L5, and he done the disciotomy or whatever you
The
call
Deuk
it.
laser disc repair. The Deuk laser disc repair. Yeah, there you go.
And
that was 3 months ago.
yes. And
So how are you doing today? Do you have that numbness in your left leg?
no numbness, no weakness, and no pain.
So the back pain that's higher up is gone.
Right, yes.
Would you say that back pain and the leg symptoms are cured?
Yeah, I have none at all.
Well, so basically, as we've talked about before, you know, we can cure if we get the right diagnosis, we do the right treatment.
Yeah.
Now you have some SI joint pain, which is down lower, which we're going to address, and you're still doing your therapy.
Right, right.
Are you happy with the results of your surgery?
Very.
Okay. We can't see you smiling under there. Anything you want to tell the rest of the people out there suffering that don't believe you can get back pain or leg symptoms fixed?
I was never a disbeliever, but it made me a real believer that it can be done. I did not want screws, rods, I didn't want anything like that, and this done the job.
Congratulations, sir.
Thank you very much.
I'd shake your hand, but we're still in COVID-19.
Yeah, we can't do that right now.
All right, well, get out of here and go enjoy your life and do some more work around the house.
Yep.
Right?
Well, I'm going to continue. I've got to be careful, but I've got to spread a couple, 3 bags of mulch, but I take it easy. And
Yeah, don't carry the bags, obviously, because we're not ready for that, but open them up and scoop them out.
Yeah.
He just built a housing for his generator last week, so he's a carpenter as well. He likes to do stuff.
Yeah.
All right. Well, good luck to you.
Thank you very much.